Morning, student. Let's read chapter number 11, Force, Work and Energy. Force. To move a thing, we either pull or push it. So, pull or push is called a force. When we apply a force to an object, it moves in the direction of the force. To stop a moving body, we apply in the force in the opposite direction. Force is also used to change the direction of moving object. A batsman hits the ball and changes the direction of the ball. When force is applied on soft things, their shape changes. Now, what is force? Whenever we need to move a thing, we either push or pull it. So, pull or push is known as force. What can the force do? It can change the direction of applied force. It can change the shape and size of soft things. Now, next topic is type of force. Roll a ball on a ground, it moves for some distance and then stops. It is stopped due to the friction. Friction is a force which stop moving things. People use muscular force to push a vehicle or to lift water from a well. Sometimes we use muscular force of animals for doing work. For example, we use muscular force of bull or camels or house for pulling heavy carts. When a ball is thrown, it falls to a ground. Fruits from the trees always fall to the ground. The force that pulls everything towards the earth is called gravitational force. Now, in this paragraph, we have read about two type of force, frictional force and gravitational force. What is this friction force? You must have seen that whenever a ball is rolled on the ground, it suddenly stops at some distance. Why? This is due to the friction produced by the ground and the ball. So, this friction is a force which stop moving thing. Now, there are some force within the human muscles. These forces are known as muscular force, and these are used to uh, lift water from wells and various weighing machines. And sometimes you must have seen the weightlifter. They used to lift the weight with the help of this muscular force. Now, the whenever you throw a ball, a fruit from a tree always fall on the ground. Why it doesn't float on air? This is due to the gravitational pull or the gravitational force which attract or pull everything towards the earth. The next topic is work. When a force moves an object through some distance in its direction, work is said to be done. If the force cannot produce any movement in the body, no work is done. For example, if you are helping to push a car and the car really moves in the direction of the applied force, you do work on the car. On the other hand, if you are pushing the car and it does not move, you do not do any work. It is because the car does not move in the same direction in which the force is applied. Work means, according to the formula, work is equals to force into displacement, or it means that if you apply force on an object and it moves in the direction of the force, then work is said to be done. Here is a example. You can see in the figure, a man is pushing a car. If the car is moving in the direction of force, then work is said to be done. If the car does not move, then the direction in the if the car does not move, then work is not done by the car. Why? Because the direction is zero. It does not move, the movement is zero. That's why if you put it in the formula, the force into displacement or distance, then force into zero equals to zero, so the work becomes zero. What is machine? Okay, let's read the fascinating fact first. Isaac Newton, 1642 1727, a British scientist, saw an apple falling from a tree. Of course, he was not the first to see this, but he was the first to explain what was happening. He believed that gravity caused an apple to fall, and then he had the daring idea that gravity is the force that exists not only on the earth but throughout the whole universe. In between 1642 and 1727, a scientist named Isaac Newton saw that an apple was falling from the tree, and he described that it is due to the gravitational pull that the apple fall down, and this gravitational pull is not only on the earth but throughout the whole universe. What is a machine? A machine is a tool or a device which help us to do work by applying less force or can increase the speed of a work. These tools are called simple machine. Any big machine is actually made up of many simple machine. Thus, a machine, whether big or small, does the following: make work easier as it increase the applied force, changes the direction of applied force, increase the speed of work. The machine is a device which make our work easier. It changes the direction of applied force and it increase the speed of work, hence help us in many ways. Here are some simple machine on page number 102. Seesaw, bottle opener, wheelbarrow, scissor, these are all simple machines. Now let's come to the next topic. What is energy? All of us need energy to do work. Even machines needs energy to do work. The capacity to do work is called energy. The energy of a body is measured by the work it can do. We directly or indirectly use sun energy to do work. The energy we get from the sun is called solar energy. Green plant use this energy to make food. We eat this food. Solar energy is never ending source of heat and light energy. Solar cooker and heaters use solar energy for cooking and heating. What is energy? It is the capacity to do work. Even the machine has some energy, even the machine has some capacity till which they can work. So there are some example of these energy: solar energy, electric energy, mechanical energy. These are all types of energy or forms of energy. Solar energy is the energy which we get from the sun, and we use it in the form of heat and light, and solar cookers and solar heater use this energy for cooking and heating. Green plant use this energy to make the food. Now the next topic is form of energy. Electric energy, electrical energy, electrical gadgets such as fan, iron, bulb, television, and air conditioner work with the help of this energy. Mechanical energy. This is the energy of an object that can do work by moving, such as a spring of watch, wind flowing, water, etc. Chemical energy. This energy is obtained by burning of coal, oil, wood, etc. Geothermal energy. This is the energy of the hot interior of earth. Heat energy is the one of the most important form of energy. It is useful to us in many ways. The sun is the most important source of this energy. Heat energy is obtained by burning of fuels such as wood, gas, coal, and oil. Electricity also produces heat energy. Heat energy help to move engines, aeroplanes, and rocket. Magnetic energy. A magnetic energy can easily pull a piece of iron towards itself. It causes movement in the pieces of iron. Therefore, a magnet has an energy which is called magnetic energy. Atomic energy. Everything is made up of atom. An atom is the smallest particle of matter. We can get energy from atom by splitting them. Atomic energy can be used to produce electricity. Now, there are some types of energy. Electrical energy means the energy which is used by fan, bulb, air conditioner, to make them work is known as electrical energy. Mechanical energy, this is the energy of object that can do work by moving. It is the energy which is given to the object so that they can move. Now chemical energy, energy that is obtained by burning of coal. Geothermal energy, energy of earth, hot interior of earth. Heat energy, energy that is produced by heater, gas stove, coal, wood, burning, etc. These are all heat energy. It helps to move engine, aeroplanes and rocket, and it was also used earlier to run engines, steam engines. You must have heard about that. Magnetic energy, it is the energy which can pull piece of iron towards itself. Here you can see that a bar magnet is placed over some iron nails, and this bar magnet is attracting the nails toward itself. So the magnetic energy is the energy which attract the iron towards itself. Here you can see that here is in a crane is lifting some uh, iron particles with the help of magnet. Atomic energy, it is the energy which we get from the splitting of atoms, from the breaking of atom. It is used to produce electricity. With this we have completed our chapter 11. If there is any query, you can ask me. Thank you.